Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page with extra puzzles in the newspaper of Saturday. Yes, the weekend edition, Saturday, August the 5th, 2023. We have here six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Oh no, the tectonic correction, two binaries, 10 by 10. We have two. Sudokus with 3 stars. I will pick one of these two to solve. And the killer Sudoku. Yes, let me start with this one. It's actually not a 3 stars. Because the 3 stars Sudoku, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, the 3 stars usually it has 25 printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright. This will be number 6870. Alright. Alright, so let's get started with this one. Okay, let me see. A lot of ones. Can I start with one? Yes, one in this column, one in the middle column. So the column next only two places left for the one should be here or there. You see one this row, no one there. One should be there. 1177. Okay. 1 1. Well, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 4 should be there. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. A lot of 9s. Can I start? Yeah. Continue with the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Well. 6, 6, okay. The 4 in this column, the 4 in that column, so the column between in the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this third column, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in the middle column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5, the 7, 5, and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. And we have a pair, the 5 and the 7 in the first row, the 5 and the 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5. Okay. Need a 7 here. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 1 box left in this big square for the master. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the master. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have 3 in the third column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 should be there. And the 2 and the 5 goes there as a pair. Okay. 1, 2, 6, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in the first column, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 1, 6, and need a 7 here. 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8, okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, third column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. And 8 in that column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the mother. The 1, the 2 is missing. Then let me see. How about 4, and 6. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the column next, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then, let me see. 7, with all 8, yes. 1, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, and now. Here are 2 missing numbers, the 1 and a 9, I believe. Yeah, 1 and a 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, only place level the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 and 6, we have a 6 now in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. This is really a 3 stars or 2 stars. No. Because for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I've solved this in 11 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Let me give this a 0 stars. Yeah. Anyway, I like this one. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.